Tonight, several of the ladies at church got together for a service project and a little bit of socializing. We were asked to bring things that we could put in hygiene kits like shampoo, conditioner, toothbrushes, toothpaste, soap. Well, you get the idea. Everything was organized and laid out on long tables. And it was our job to get Ziploc baggies, open them up, and start putting things in these bags. These hygiene kits are then given out to people who may be in a disaster. Hurricanes, tornadoes, floods, earthquakes, or even people who are homeless or to women's shelters. We were able to fill about 150 bags, and that took us about 30 minutes. So we were pretty quick. This was really a great service project for these ladies to do. It might not seem like much, but 150 people will be served by these bags. I am very grateful to have had this opportunity, and I know my fellow friends at church are very happy that they had this opportunity to serve too. After we finished bagging everything up and then cleaning up our mess, we got to taste all the yummy, delicious things that everybody brought to share.